Hey, Sheila Keeter here, teacher for inclusion, and today I'm going to talk about how to plan writing groups. So what I do with my students, especially eighth grade, when they're just starting to get not even the hang of writing, but they're starting to familiarize themselves with the essay outline, is I put them in groups of three. So the first essay of the year in eighth grade, I put them in groups of three, and you can do this in seventh grade, sixth grade, ninth grade, 10th grade. It's a great way to start the year off with a sort of review and collaboration and support from each other. So, for example, we did To Kill a Mockingbird first, and I put students in groups of three. And what they do together is they create an introduction and they write it on poster paper. And then we do some kind of gallery walk where they all walk around and write two things that they think that the person can improve. And they also give them some sort of compliment. And then they make some revisions on the introduction. The next thing that we do, and the reason why I like to work in groups of three, is that I have them divide up each body paragraph. So they decide as a group what the topic sentence is going to be based on what their thesis statement is. And then they divide up the body paragraphs and they work on those independently. Once they have finished their body paragraphs, they bring them back and they do peer edits and they help each other to make sure that they get a good grade. And then once they have finished with their body paragraphs and have put those together, then they do on the same poster paper as the introduction, they'll write their conclusion, and they do that as a group. And then we will do an informal presentation where we go around the room and we share our introductions, our thesis statement, the conclusions that they came to, what they learned, and then we reflect on what went well, what could go better next time. And that's about it, but that really kind of helps to set up the foundation that they need to do their essay writing for the rest of the year. I hope this was helpful. I do have an article on my blog and it's in detail. So if you'd like to read that in detail, you're more than welcome. It's Teacher for Inclusion. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.